A man was smoking at the corner when a suspicious person approached him. After a while, he noticed that his wallet was stolen. He goes after the suspicious person, then gets shot and dies.
An investigator is called to a crime scene where a dead body has been found. As soon as the investigator arrived at 8:23 p.m., he immediately investigated and took the temperature of the body, which was found at 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The investigator then gets a thermostat from his bag and finds that the room temperature was kept at a constant 59 degrees Fahrenheit for the past week.
After the whole investigation, he then checks the temperature, which became 74.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The last temperature reading was taken 1 hour after the first one. The investigator needs to know the time the victim died so he can calculate how far the killer must have gone. Assuming normal temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit prior to death.
Hi. We're the Angliana group. This is
Benz Demonahan.
I'm Ryan Hall.
And I'm Raf Garan.
And this is our project.
Yeah.
According to Newton's empirical law of cooling or warming, the rate at which a body changes is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and the temperature of the surrounding medium, the so-called ambient temperature.
So,
And then we'll get LL equals constant times time plus a constant C. Go.
From the equation given and the table given, we can derive first equation C is equal to ln 39.6. Second equation equated to ln 21 equal to K T plus C. Another equation also equal to ln 15.5 equal to K T plus K plus C. We substitute equation 1 to equation 2. So
So now that we have a value for k, we can use equation 1 to solve for the time. We can write equation 1 as, we can write this whole equation as, solving this equation, we get time of 2.11. And converting this to hours, we get
so the murder happened 6:16 p.m.